Association, Mr. Rajesh Patel, executives of Fiji Football Association, our major sponsors, the tournament organizing committee, players, children, ladies and gentlemen. And good evening to you all. My sincere apologies for coming in late this afternoon. Our programming dragged on a little bit. I'm honored to join you with my wife this evening at this official opening event of the 2014 Inc. Mobile Battle of the Giants tournament. Let me at the outset thank the major sponsors for making the BOG tournament possible again in 2014. BOG, this tournament, is a major event in Fiji's sporting calendar and it has been for the past 3 decades now. Like other major sports in Fiji, football attracts enthusiastic and passionate fans and friends that support high-level competition and good sportsmanship. Government is committed to youth and sports development in our beloved country. We will continue to play our part in the promotion of sporting opportunities and sports development, such as the provision of relevant equipment, playing grounds, sporting programs, and technical experts for sporting enthusiasts. This also includes support through scholarships for elite athletes and administrators. My ministry is very supportive of Fiji Football Association's proposed Regional Technical Center project in Lambasa, in Vanuatu, as this would be a huge boost for football in the Northern Division and for Fiji as a whole. Fiji FA's proposed project augurs well with government's effort to harness the power of sports as a major vehicle for youth development in Fiji. We continue to recognize the contribution of sports to Fiji's economy, national unity, and social inclusiveness. In this regard, it is therefore important that sports development and programs and facilities are accessible to all our youth in Fiji. To have a facility in Lambasa would allow youth from Vanuatu to explore and develop their talents in soccer. And as we know, Lambasa is well known for producing world-class soccer players like Roy Krishna, and this project will no doubt tap into the wealth of raw talent that is in abundance in the north in Vanuatu. I can assure Fiji Football Association that the Ministry of Youth and Sports stands ready to assist you to bring this project into fruition. In any sporting federation, the administrators hold the key to its success. Fiji has a lot of raw sporting talents, but without good administrators, our talents will remain raw and undeveloped. But sports administrators must remember that the players place a lot of trust in you, that you will look after them, the players, in terms of their welfare and development. Players and the spirit of the game must be the #1 priority for sporting administrators. It will be remiss of me if I do not mention the milestone that the Under-20 team achieved when they qualified to play in the World Cup tournament next year. The first ever World Cup level participation for Fiji soccer. I'm sure that some of them are playing in this tournament in their various districts. This young boys' achievement is an indication that the game of soccer is on the right path here in Fiji. I offer my sincere congratulations to the team and officials, and on behalf of the people of Fiji, I say thank you to the wider Fiji Football Association family. It is with honor and indeed my pleasure to now officially open and wish the 2014 Inc. Mobile Battle of the Giants tournament success.